Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on travel tips. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite tips to help you plan and have a more enjoyable trip. Tip 1. Do your research. Before you even book your flight, it's important to do your research and learn as much as you can about your destination. This includes things like the climate, the currency, the customs, and the local attraction. You can find this information online, in travel guides, or by talking to people who have been there before. Tip 2. Pack light. One of the best ways to make your trip more enjoyable is to pack light. This will save you time and hassle at the airport, and it will also make it easier to get around when you're at your destination. Only pack the essentials and leave anything that you can't live without at home. Tip 3. Be flexible. Things don't always go according to plan when you're traveling, so it's important to be flexible. If your flight is delayed or your hotel is overbooked, don't get too stressed out. Just roll with the punches and make the best of the situation. Tip 4. Stay safe. When you're traveling, it's important to stay safe. This means being aware of your surroundings, taking precautions against theft, and being mindful of your health. If you're traveling to a foreign country, it's also a good idea to learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Tip 5. Have fun. Traveling is supposed to be fun, so don't forget to relax and enjoy yourself. Take some time to explore your surroundings, meet new people, and try new things. These are the memories that you'll cherish for a lifetime. Thanks for watching my video on travel tips. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other tips that you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and videos.